Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. 7 necessary tips for those who have problems with the thyroid gland. Today, disorders of the thyroid gland become alarmingly common. Fortunately, there are various ways of treating thyroid conditions, and your lifestyle and diet also play a role in how well you will feel with the thyroid problem. But keep this in mind. Diets and additional procedures cannot replace the treatment prescribed by your doctor. Use the following tips in addition to the treatment that your doctor has prescribed. 1. Consume the right amount of iodine. As you probably know, iodine is vitally important for your thyroid function. But consuming too much or too little iodine can worsen your condition, so ask your doctor how much you need. Do not take iodine supplements unless your doctor prescribes them. Instead, get the mineral from the products. Good sources of iodine are algae, milk and dairy products, lima beans and prunes. Note: if you intend to add seaweed to your diet, make sure the species that you are going to eat is not too high in iodine. 2. Increase the intake of B-complex vitamins. B-complex vitamins, especially vitamins B1 and B12, support your thyroid function. You can take the supplement of B vitamins, after checking with your doctor first, or eat more foods rich in these vitamins. Good sources of vitamin B1 are sesame seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, pistachios, spinach, asparagus and Brussels sprouts. Good sources of vitamin B12 include milk, dairy products and foods fortified with vitamin. 3. Eat enough selenium. Selenium is another important mineral for your thyroid gland. You need very little selenium daily, only 55 micrograms, if you are an adult. One of the best sources of selenium is Brazil nuts, and other good sources include cottage cheese, oats and baked beans. 4. Eat fermented foods. Thyroid health is associated with intestinal health, and eating foods that contain live bacteria can improve your intestinal microflora. One of the best options is yogurt, or kefir, because they also contain a decent amount of iodine. Other products that should be tried include sauerkraut, kombucha, kvass, kimchi and tempeh. 5. Eliminate or limit aggravating products. Processed foods can cause chronic inflammation throughout your body, and the thyroid gland is no exception. So, cut out any highly processed foods from your diet. These include fast food and commercial bakery products. Stay away from refined sugars and peeled grains, eat more whole grains and fresh fruits and berries. If you have hyperthyroidism, you should avoid eating caffeine. Soy and soy products can affect your medications from the thyroid, so if you want to eat something from soy, wait at least several hours after taking the medication. 6. Exercise regularly. If you have a problem with the thyroid gland, especially hypothyroidism, you may not have a desire to practice at all. But with the right diet and the right medicines, you must have enough energy to practice at least a few days a week. Exercises can to some extent improve your thyroid function and also increase your metabolism in general. 7. Try relaxation techniques. Living with a thyroid disorder can cause great stress and anxiety. To calm the mind, try relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation and deep breathing. Or just take the time to do something relaxing, like reading a book or taking a walk in the park. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.